How's it going? So we are in a actual GT3 car. Absolutely tight, like I barely can move at all. The driver must weigh, 150. Carbon fiber everywhere. You can actually take the steering wheel off by pulling this, right?
He divorced his wife.
Okay, there's a steering wheel, just like a video game. Ooh. This is actually a Steptronic right here. Racing, all your controls here. Passenger seat is obviously vacant. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber door. So the doors are paper weight light, I kid you not. Roll cage. I'm not sure what these are for. I mean, as you can see, this is eye level, and I fit in the seat, so the driver shouldn't be too much taller. You can't really see over the hood. Even if I hold the camera up, the camera right there actually like displays somewhere so you can see in front of you. Very cool. Carbon fiber dash. This car must weigh, like... Hudson, how does that door feel?
I would say 2 units of weight.
2 units of weight, okay. Alright, you want to get out? Dang, you got out faster than most people.
I feel like I was just born.
Shut that door. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Oh, that's so nice. Well, thank you for watching, and this was a really cool BMW right here. Okay, so we got the BMW official pace car and M4, I think GT something. Wow, that's sick. Man, pretty M1.
He divorced his wife.
Okay, there's a steering wheel. Wow, look how pretty that is. Feel how light this door is. It's like a paper, not even a paperweight light. This thing is full carbon.